Hello and welcome on Thomas Geiger Cars. Today with the updated Mercedes GLC. A few days ahead of the world premiere at the Geneva Autoshow, I'm joining the Mercedes engineers on their final test drives with the best-selling SUV model out of Stuttgart. If you want to know what to expect from the car and how it competes against Audi Q5, BMW X3 and Porsche Macan, stay tuned. While we are testing the prototypes with the engineers in northern Sweden close to the Arctic Circle, Mercedes is preparing the world debut of the updated GLC for the Geneva Autoshow in March, but only the four-door version with the upright back end. The coupe will have its world premiere with the same updates at the New York Auto Show in April, and the Chinese long wheelbase version will debut in Shanghai also in April. Production will begin towards the summer and market launch will be in autumn. While driving the updated GLC, we realized that Mercedes has done a bit fine-tuning on the suspension, especially since they adopted the steel suspension from the GLC coupe also to the regular model. And most of all, they've changed the complete driveline. We now have the petrol engines with the EQ boost system, that electric starter generator that helps you to accelerate, that lengthens the start-stop phases, and that allows the engine to sail, so you can drive with the engine shut off and you don't realize when the engine is working or when not. Top model will be 2-liter, 190 kilowatts, 245 horsepower. And Mercedes is estimating that the fuel consumption will go down about 15% with the EQ Boost technology. Later on, for sure, we will have the AMG models 43 and 63, and it's also talking about a plug-in hybrid that will come later that year. The biggest change you can see in the interior is the new infotainment system. We got the big screen with the digital instruments behind the steering wheel, and for the first time in the GLC we've got MBUX with the big touchscreen and the speech recognition. That's even more than you have in the updated C-Class for the moment. You might miss the usual camouflage that you know from prototypes. That's because the facelift does not change that much, and all the interesting parts are still hidden, like the headlights or the rear lights. For the future, we will have LED as a standard, even in the base model. There will be new bumpers at the front and at the back, and more shine and more bling bling, because the chrome package is now standard for every model. Additional new wheels, new colors, a bit new trim. That's basically it. Thanks for joining me on that first review with the updated Mercedes GLC. Yes, it's still a prototype, but it's a pretty final one, so we can really judge how good the car will be. The new infotainment system MBUX, the more powerful but also more efficient engines, the plug-in hybrid on the horizon, and the updated design makes me confident that the best-selling SUV out of Mercedes will keep its position. And it's going to be a tough competitor for the other German compact luxury SUVs. Thank you, Tschüsschen, Zeitchen, and bye-bye.